Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So, here guys, we'll be demonstrating on 2017 Ford F-150 that we have. You have two fuse boxes, but we'll need to work only in the fuse box that's located under the hood on your F-150. Once you open the hood, that's, okay, excuse me, let me go back. That's the engine bay right here. And if you come on the left side, behind that car battery, this is your fuse box cover right here. You open that fuse box cover and you're going to have fuse box that looks like that. You will be on the front side of the truck. This is towards the windshield, okay, and you will face it practically that way. Now, let's explain, guys, why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time, and then we'll explain which fuse it is. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now here, guys, okay, you can see you have different kinds of fuses and relays, okay, for your truck. Those could be really hard to find sometimes if you're in a small town or something like that. It can be really expensive too, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. I always recommend to keep some spares just in case, so if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere you can just replace it. The fuse that you will need to check specifically, guys, will be working in that panel right here. So in that panel we have two rows of fuses, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each side. And the fuse, guys, okay, that we had on ours will be, guys, okay, fuse number F9, and F9 will be that fuse right here. The first fuse on the right side, okay, on the bottom, will be the fuse that we'll need to check, okay. Let's just come down with the camera so you can see we're talking about that fuse right here. For some models, guys, earlier models, you may have another fuel pump fuse, so make sure, okay, you check that one too. If you don't have that fuse number F9, you will need to come in that row right here, you can see, and in that row you count from the bottom, okay, from the front of the truck to the back, 1, 2, 3, that 20 amp fuse, the third fuse, okay, right there, that will be the one that you will need to check specifically, right here, guys, that fuse. So it could be any of those. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.